Hello, in this video I'll show you how to personalize or customize your YouTube channel homepage. And as you can see right now, it says this channel doesn't have any content. And I was looking at it saying, YouTube, you're lying. But because I already know I have uploaded 28 videos. I've actually uploaded 29 videos in the last 28 days. So how do I get YouTube to show my videos on my homepage? Because when people go to my channel, this is what they're seeing. And if they don't see anything, they're going to look at me and say, lady, you lied to me. So let's get into it and customize our YouTube homepage to make it all pretty and beautiful so that people will know exactly what I have to offer. I've logged into YouTube and we are on the homepage. As you can see, when we click on videos, it shows that, yes, she actually has a ton of videos. And playlists, I do have 2 playlists right now. On your YouTube homepage, click Customize Channel. This is where you'll get all the options to customize and make your channel fit you. You have 3 different ways to view this homepage while you're making these changes. As yourself, as a returning subscriber, and as a new visitor. And you can see here next to Grow with Lady, view, and it says as yourself. You can click new visitor, returning subscriber. If you want to customize or tailor your YouTube experience to a new viewer, click for new viewers. So I'm going to click channel trailer, and we're going to go to, in the top right corner, you can choose videos under 2 minutes, most viewed, or newest. I'm going to do most viewed, and I think it happens to be under 2 minutes anyway. Or you can enter a video URL for a video that you would like to feature on your channel. But I would suggest choosing one from your own channel so that your viewers get to know you. So we're going to click this Pinterest business account video and click save. Now it's nice and big. Having this upload section here I think is okay. It's more of a horizontal view, which is fine. But if I wanted to make it vertical, we're going to click the pencil in the top, and from here I can delete this upload section if I don't want it anymore. I can change the layout to a vertical list so it goes up and down, as you can see here, instead of across, which I think looks great. We are going to use a created playlist and do a vertical list, because I want my viewers to say, okay, if I'm setting up my Pinterest profile, click on here. Here's the first 7 videos you're gonna need. And as you can see, that puts 2 options right here ready to go. We don't want to leave our channel here because it's very short, and if I like to scroll and see what someone has to offer when I get to their channel. So I'm going to click add a section. And when I add a section, we are going to use uploads. I'm going to leave it in the horizontal view for now because if I did it in a vertical list, it'll kind of look like it meshes into the top section here. Like this is a continuation. I want to show that these 2 sections are a little bit different. So horizontal row there, click done. Now we have this horizontal row. Let's add another section. Let's do single playlist next because I choose a playlist, my playlist, and to find playlists. Let's do setting up your Pinterest profile. And let's do a vertical list. Here we go. Click done. So we have the setting up your Pinterest profile here, but if you're really a beginner and you're getting started, you can see it here as well. And because I've done some of these videos are not going to be the same as these uploads. As I upload more, these videos will change, and then this setting up your Pinterest profile will stay pretty similar unless I change it from there, but you kind of get the idea. I would suggest not necessarily doing everything horizontal or everything vertical. I would switch it up so that it actually breaks up your eye, breaks up the eye and makes the visual a little bit more appealing. That was for your new visitors. If we go to returning subscribers, everything's going to be very similar or almost the same. You can choose if you want to feature content here. So the only time featured content won't show is if you are live streaming. We want it to show something. So let's choose what we want the featured content to show. Right now, let's choose a playlist because the other one was a video. Let's choose a playlist. So the featured content, we can say dive into your 30-day Pinterest series. Let's say that. Click save, dive into your 30-day Pinterest series, click done. And there we have it. See what all the fuss is about by going to ladymora.com/biz, and you'll learn everything you need to know about creating a product line for your business so that you can just have an awesome start.